Good work, Danny. Come on, drill down. Super tight. Look at all these fish under here. I wasn't even holding Danny's hair when he's puking. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got our buddies here from Reunite to Fight. Resort Vacation Properties put them up in this lovely home. We're gonna go out deep sea fishing. What do you guys want to catch?
Panfish.
Is it panned?
Pan.
Pan?
The B silent.
Oh.
I might be able to help. Pan. The B silent. Pan.
There was some debate on different acronyms that people are talking about in the media these days, and that's kind of where this started. But what do you guys really want to catch?
Shark. Great white.
Yeah. Sharks would be awesome.
Great white.
Sweet.
Sailfish. Grouper.
Great white.
Yeah.
All right, let's get out there and do it, guys. Look at all these fish under here. You gonna blow? Gatorade, dude. Gatorade and Snickers. Got a lot of people out here. There's always one when there's four.
There might be four. He keeps yakking.
There's a metric ton of fish under us right now, guys. Get them. Come up and then roll down on them. Sweet. Got a lot of that hook exposed. Get him. Got a nice grunt. Come on, get him. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The grunt. Bring me a rod tip. That squid juice gets all over. Come up and then reel down a little bit. You can even do like a half a reel at a time. There you go. Even if you're getting a half a reel. Got a grouper. How's it feel to catch your first grouper?
Good. Feels good.
Sweet. Let's call these guys Gucci groupers because of the pattern they got on them. Come on, look at that doubles. Get them.
Those ones. That's not. See, these aren't season, right?
No, he's too small too. Oop, we got a grunt.
Nice. Throw it
Look at all the fish on the screen, dude. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Slay them. No, don't take that. Yeah, get them. Come on, get them. Come on, let's see what you got. Grunt. Come on, drill down. Hit it from here. It's on a flat line. Good work. Slow, steady pressure. Get that slack out. Good work. Just take your time, because that's only a 30-pound leader and a little baby hook. You're doing perfect. What do you think you got?
No clue of fish.
That's a nice little amberjack you got there, brother.
Yeah.
Give me your rod tip. How's it feel to catch your first AJ?
Awesome. Big fish.
Release him for another day. Rock. Oh. Take your line out on the boat.
Snapper.
There we go.
You got one?
Yep. Get him up.
Another snapper. Oh, perfect.
Yeah. We got one fish here, another fish here. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's good. How's that feel, man?
Pretty awesome.
First amberjack?
First amberjack.
First amberjack. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
That's how we do it. Off he goes. Yeah, come on, come on. Come on. We got non-stop action out on this boat today. Come on, get him.
It's a smaller one, maybe.
See what we got. Ooh, it's a mangrove. That's a good keeper here. Bring your rod tip to me. We don't want this guy to fall off. He's really good eating. Oh, yeah. That's a fat mangrove, brother. Woo! I mean, that's like a 24-inch mangrove snapper. Sweet. Flat line. That's how you catch them. Keep that line tight. Reel yours up. Reel yours up. Come on, we got a beast on. Come this way. Come here. Keep that line tight. Don't let that line get loose. Reel that tight. Real fast. Real fast. Hold on. Slow and steady. Good work, Danny. Okay, it's letting it, let it run. Now come up, and then reel down it. Reel down fast. Okay, keep that line tight. Keep that the bend in the rod the best you can. Good work. Come this way. Come this way. Goes real far like that. That way, we got to get under the motors. They're about 2-3 feet down. You're doing good. Make them come to you because I don't want to get by the motors. Ooh, you got a bonita. Man, that's crazy. A bonita in February. He's gonna keep doing spirals like that, all right? You don't want him up top though because you'll get by the minions, all right? Just wait till he gets good and tired.
Coming
Perfect. Up. Yeah. Keep his head in the water. You're doing good. Head in the water. You're doing good. You probably got 1 or 2 more runs in them.
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
How's it feel to catch your first fish on the Gulf of Mexico?
That's awesome.
Good work, bro.
Heck yeah.
Oh, that thing's pretty.
That is awesome.
Yeah, you can keep this guy. They're not real good to eat. They're good for bait. He's like, I'm gonna catch a fish whether I'm puking or not. I think he almost dove for the hole. You see him? He looked like a something about the delivery. Run it first. I was gonna do some chunking, but he's doing it for me with underwater camera. Yeah, get him, real, crank. Oh, you still got him here. Grouper and snapper aren't in season, so we'll catch some grunts. What you got, man? What you got, Danny? That's a nice grunt. Put him in the box. Come on, Bo. Doubles. Sweet. Man, you lassoed this bad boy. Ooh.
What's wrong with your fish?
We're not going to keep that guy.
Grunt, probably.
Got another. Give me a rod tip, I got you.
Baby monster.
Got some?
Grouper.
Nice grouper. Not in season. They gotta be 24 inches too. Ton of fish here. Come on, go get him. Ooh, look at that. Nice grouper. Is that your first grouper? That's my first grouper. How's it feel? Feels great. Sweet. A little kick. That's fun to think about. That's a big one. That's a nice grouper.
Getting bigger, brother.
Getting a little bit bigger.
You got something big.
Yeah. Still pulling.
You got something big. Oh, real. Oh, just put the
Look at all them fish on the screen, dude. Man, what a day. We went out there 15 miles. We fought the fog. We hooked up as soon as we got out there. Danny, what'd you catch?
I caught a bonita. I caught a grunt.
The bonita caught itself through the river.
He was a little horizontal most of the day.
hooked into a Goliath.
Yeah, he
Got
took your
some-
lunch money.
Took my lunch money.
Got some groupers, some grunts.
All right, guys. I'd like to thank our sponsors, Resort Vacation Properties, Salt Life, Brown L's. Go to Bliss Inc., pick up some shirts. Again, guys, if you believe in living a waterful life isn't just something you do for fun, but it's part of who you are, like, subscribe, and share the channel so we can help inspire just that. What do you guys think about the food?
Phenomenal down here.
What was your favorite restaurant?
That's tough, man.
That's a tough one.
You know, the coffee shop, day one, that breakfast, the
Oh, yeah, it
sandwiches,
was
the
amazing.
biscuits and gravy.
The
Yeah.
guys,
bowl.
the guys at Five High took really good care of us.
Oh,
Let
Ronnie,
Scott-
Ronnie,
they let
yeah.
Scott bartend.
Oh
Yeah.
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 Cannot
He even
say
got some
enough.
tips, I think. I mean,
Hey, we
I
got
don't
some really
know.
good pizza.
We got BJ's on the
DJ's,
island.
yeah,
BJ's
Buffalo
on the
chicken
island.
pizza.
Yeah. Mikey?
Chicken fingers,
Chicken
right?
fingers.
Ooh,
Harry
man.
Hayes cooked up some fish for us. Yeah,
Yeah,
very
Guys
awesome.
can't say enough.
Yeah.
Oh, man. you know, where did we eat last night? Tapas, right?
Tapas. Danny at Tapas hooked us up.
Tapas was
that cream
Macaroni and
sauce.
cheese, the macaroni and
that's
cheese to
amazing.
die
The
for.
cream sauce,
Yeah.
the scallions.
Grouper, yep.
The grouper cheeks.
Yep.
Man.
Phenomenal.
Oh,
Die
the
for.
oysters.
Oysters.
I don't even like oysters, and their oysters are
Phenomenal.
amazing.
And what do you guys think about the locals? Who was your favorite local?
Gaga.
I don't know. Gaga's up
Blind
there.
Robbie and,
Gaga's up there.
North Crackalacket's pretty cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mikey.
Yeah,
Mikey, man.
North
Mikey, he's
Kakalaki, the 303, baby.
Mikey is always
Who's the
down
bar
to
we-
party
Harry-
with the veterans. up
Harry
right now.
D's. Best
Harry
cocktails
Hayes.
on the planet here.
Yeah. I don't know. Who else?
Good
Who
bands,
else did we
live
meet this
music.
week? We met a lot of folks. We met so many folks, and
Don't forget about Conway.
everybody down here was just very welcoming.
We may or may not have met Conway Twitty.
Reincarnated.
We got to hold a live parrot.
Oh yeah, that was
Yeah.
awesome
It was
last
good.
night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to hold more than just a live pair.
Hey,
from what I
honestly,
heard.
honestly, everyone on the island has been so great, and we've had a
Actually,
good
even
time.
the locals came over and visit us that night.
Hey, if you've never been to St. George Island before, I'll tell you right now, not only do they have some of the best patriotic people around here, but they truly do care about veterans. So
We're
thanks,
actually
Tom
buying- we're
Peterson.
actually
We really
buying a bar
appreciate the
here.
time down
Yeah,
there.
I'm living the dream, man. I'm just trying to take you guys with me.
Hey,
you go.
hoorah, Semper Fidelis.
I'm not going to be
Yeah.
happy till I
Certified
get
guys.
1,000 veterans down here fishing with me, and with all these other local captains. We got, JB from JB Charters donate that trip. We've got a lot of other captains that are going to be donating trips for, all the different guys that we bring down, and we're sure excited. We're sure thankful to have you guys down, man.
Yeah.
This guy right here personally made it his
His
life,
mission.
his mission to personally take care of us 100% the whole entire trip. Eating, drink.
My wife says I'm coming home.
Probably, maybe never. We got book ready. He's playing here with who? RT.
Drinking, boats,
I wasn't even-
everything.
Yeah, I wasn't even holding Danny's hair when he's puking.
Yeah. I'll tell you right now, if you're looking to get offshore, you're looking to get inshore, you watching these videos, really take a hard look at these guys. These guys not only know what they're doing, but they're professional, and they just go above and beyond to make sure that your experience is going to be one of the best.
100% safety also. Gave us a safety brief. Never felt scared one time.
Do you have your
Now
wings
what?
on, your water wings?
Danny did. Danny did. Whatever
No.
you do not eat a Snickers or drink Gatorade before your boat trip.
Personally,
one.
information we learned from Captain Peterson
Yep.
after, just about 10 minutes too late.
Right,
No
after,
sweets.
right after I took the last bite of my baby Ruth, he's like, yeah, don't eat any candy bars.
No sweets. Didn't help me though.
Thanks to Beach Buzz and Resort Vacation Properties for putting a group of Reunite to Fight veterans up in this lovely home.